Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications, swipe down once again, and then select Settings icon. Scroll all the way down in here to System, where you will find Reset Options, and then from the list you want to select Erase All Data Factory Reset. Once you do, it will give you a message that basically erasing all data results in erasing all data, which includes Google account, system app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. Now, out of this list, only 3 of the mentioned items matter, which would be music, photos, and user data, as these are items that you'd keep most of the time, or at least sometimes, locally on storage of the device. If you keep things like music or photos on the cloud, then this doesn't apply to you. It only applies to people that keep their data on the device. And if that is so, you might want to create a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and cannot be gained again or back. So with that being said, if you need to create a backup, make it right now. If you don't, you can select Erase All Data. Do that once again, and this will begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about a minute to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.